Single retirement planning deserves a different lens. When you're retired on your own, you're responsible for 100% of your income needs. You make every healthcare and legal decision on your own. You may not have an obvious person to name in your estate documents, and you're more likely to need paid support if long-term care becomes a reality. This doesn't mean your retirement will be harder. It just means your plan needs to be more intentional. So if you're in your 50s or 60s and approaching this chapter independently, now is the time to build in structure, safeguards, and flexibility. If you're watching this and thinking, this is exactly what I've been wondering about, leave a quick comment that says, planning solo. And if you'd like more straightforward retirement content each week, hit the subscribe button to see more information just like this. We always keep it practical and personal. So let's start with income. A good solo retirement plan starts with a reliable income strategy. That includes Social Security, retirement accounts like IRAs and 401ks, any pension or annuity, investment income, and possibly rental income or part-time work. Now, here's the key. You need enough income to cover your life, your healthcare, and your unexpected costs without leaning on anyone else. Because of that, it's smart to look at tax-efficient withdrawal strategies and build cash flow from different types of accounts, not just your 401k. We often help clients layer in Roth conversions or taxable account strategies so they have more flexibility and aren't stuck pulling heavily taxed income in high tax years. If you're planning solo, estate planning takes on a whole new meaning. You need to be crystal clear about who will make medical and financial decisions if you're unable to, who inherits your assets after you pass, who can be trusted to follow your wishes, and you'll want to have a will, a durable power of attorney, a healthcare proxy, and in many cases, a trust for added control. If you don't have kids or close family, that's okay. You can name a trusted friend, a professional fiduciary, or even a corporate trustee. The key is to not leave it blank. So let's say you're 62, never married, and retiring in a couple years. You have a solid portfolio, your house is paid off, and you've done a basic will years ago, but you haven't updated your beneficiaries. You don't have a care plan, and you haven't talked to anyone about what happens if you're hospitalized for a few months. That's not unusual. We see it all the time, but it's exactly where thoughtful planning comes into play. These are the types of conversations we have all the time with people who've done everything right, but know they need to take that next step. One of the biggest blind spots for solo retirees is long-term care. Without a spouse, your care will likely come from paid in-home caregivers, assisted living communities, or a facility if needed. That's why planning for long-term care before you need it is so important. That might mean exploring long-term care insurance, setting aside specific funds, or bringing in a manager or aging-in-place specialist. Just as important is building your support system now. Friends, neighbors, professionals. You don't need a large circle, just a reliable one. This is about staying independent, not isolated. A strong single retirement plan covers 4 big areas: reliable tax-smart income, clear and current estate documents, a long-term care strategy, and a trusted support system. You don't need to figure this out all at once, but starting now before you need it is the best gift you can give your future self. If you're planning to retire solo and want a second set of eyes on your strategy, head over to haywoodwealth.com. We'll help you get clear on what's working, what needs updating, and how to move forward with confidence. If this video helped you think differently about your retirement, please give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and share it with someone who's in a similar situation. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Hi, my name is Justin Haywood, founder of Haywood Wealth Management. And if you're interested in learning about how we help our clients live their retirement to the fullest, visit us at haywoodwealth.com. Thank you so much.